it feel good to lie down.
I don't believe it. You're on the floor, Bernie.
I know. It's so nice and flat.
Somebody might step on you.
Who? You're the only one in the room. And if you step on me, you will suddenly find yourself underneath Bad Bernie, the wrestling maniac.
Don't worry. But what am I supposed to do now?
About what?
About anything. I'm bored. You're lying down and I'm bored.
You were born bored.
Well, then you could help me a lot by playing with me.
Or you could lie down here on the floor and keep me company.
Oh, wow, that does sound exciting. Glorioski, lying on the floor, hoop-de-doo.
Bernie, it's something I like to do.
Well, who ever heard of lying on the floor and doing nothing?
I happen to like doing this.
Yeah, but it's no fun for me.
Bernie, I want to lie down. I played with you all morning long. Pirates, helicopter rescue, and we went to the grocery store. Now, after a too big lunch, I'm being flat and quiet.
Well, I didn't have a too big lunch.
Quiet. Ever hear of it? When we were little, we took naps every afternoon. Lots of times, remember, you were noisy all through nap time.
Quiet is boring.
Quiet is good for you. Being still. Not moving. Not talking and thinking and praying. Getting quiet and talking to God is a very good thing to do, so you don't get busyitis.
I know, but I can't think unless I'm moving.
Then go for a walk around the block and talk to God. Ask Him to help you get quiet. I just asked Him to help make you quiet.
Well, that isn't fair.
Oh, yes, it is. Bugs who are lying down flat always have the right of way, like sailboats and windsurfers. Now be quiet, please, before I turn into Bad Bernie, the wrestling maniac, and sit down on your head.
Oh, I just lose every time.
Lose what?
I never get it right. My whole life is happening at the wrong time. I'm awake at night. I'm not hungry at supper time. And now you tell me it's quiet time, and so, of course, I want to play boats in the bathtub.
Oh, so that's what you want to do?
Yes.
Well, how about a short quiet rest time, and then I'll play boats with you?
But I feel like boats now, while I'm at my best.
Well, if you're at your best, then you should give this time to God. Lie still and thank Him for 10 blessings. Use your fingers.
But when I'm at my best, I feel like playing.
Give God your best. He'll do the rest, Benny.
Oh, all right. Move over.
Move over? We've got the whole living room floor here. You can lie down any place. It's half an acre in here. Lie down by the chair.